Hello there, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video I'm going to show you the basics of differentiation. Okay, now let us start with the first example. So let's say we have a y equals to a x and power of n. The a is a constant. Alright, so when we differentiating this equation, we have to consider the y and the x. So the differentiation that you can do, the y actually refers to the letter above and the x will be here. So it's a dy dx, and the formula is given. The n we have to move here in front. It will become multiply a, and the most important thing, the power here will be minus with 1. Okay, for example, we have another equation which has s 3h to the power of 2. So our differentiation here will be ds, which are referring to this letter, over dh, and the h is referring to this letter, the algebra here. Okay, now following the formula, the 2 here we have to move to the in front, so it becomes 2. Just put a bracket here, 3h, and the power we just have to follow here, 2 minus and 1, and you'll be getting 2 multiplied with 3, you'll be getting the 6h to the power of 1. Alright, okay, let us go to the another example here. Okay, now this is example 1. Okay, now is a, here we have y and here we have x, so it's a dy over dx. So following the formula, this negative 4 we have to put in front. Make sure you just put a bracket over here, and we have a negative 5 on the other side, and then here x, and make sure you minus with 1. Alright, so we will be getting here negative 4 multiplied with negative 5 is a positive 20, and x is power of negative 5. Alright, let us continue with the second example here. Now let's say we have a h, and here we have negative 4, and here we make it into a to the power of 5. So it's a dh, okay, follow the letter in front, over, here's a, right? So it's a dA. So dh over dA. So the 5 we move in front, and we multiply with negative 4, put a bracket, and then here the a 5 we minus with 1. Okay, so we'll be getting here negative 20 over negative 20, and a will be power of 4. Alright, okay, so this is the answer. So this is the lesson for the first part. Okay, by using this formula, y equals to ax power of n. Okay, when we have here, I just make a table over here. Here's y, and here is a dy dx. Okay, so this is a differentiation of the y here. Okay, now let's say we have y equals to a constant number. Okay, your differentiation must be 0. And here let's say we have a 5x. So what happens is, here we have the constant, only the 5. Let's say we have a 5x square, and here we have a 10x. Okay, so this is the important summary that we have learned for the first part of differentiation. Okay guys, so that's the end of the part 1, and please watch my part 2 video on a differentiation. So I'll be explaining to you how to differentiate this type of equation. Alright, so thank you very much for watching this video, and please watch part 2. Thank you very much.